Once a smartphone has been connected to a Canon EOS Rebel T6, if you want to use the smartphone as a camera shutter release button, you will first have to re-engage the connection. And to do that, this is what we will do. Tap on the menu button to turn the menu on, and then go to the third wrench from the left. One, two, three. Then delve deeper into Wi-Fi function. Go one icon to the right. Connect to smartphone. Select that choice. Tap on the connect button or select that choice. Go over to the OK button by pressing on the AF button and select the OK button by pressing on this Set button. It's now looking for the smartphone. And if for some reason you want to come out of this without deleting the original connection between the smartphone and this phone, just tap on the exit button and it'll exit out of that connection. So now you can use this phone as a standard standalone traditional DSLR camera.